perfect air fryer salmon recipe that is so juicy, quick to be prepared, and very delicious. That is all I brought for you today. Welcome to Tolulicious kitchen. Please watch up to the end and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get it started. In a bowl, I'm going to pour in some olive oil. Into it, I added lemon juice. Give it a very good mix together. I'll take this aside. Let me show you the salmon we are using. That is the salmon. I rinsed it a bit and I pat dried it with a kitchen paper. If you desire, you can leave your fish a whole like that, but I will be slicing this into 4. You can make it bigger or thinner than this. Like I've said, I'm going to cut this into 4 sizes. I'm going to pat dry it again because I want the back to be crispy. If you want the back to be crispy and for those ingredients to enter into it very well, try and pat dry it well. Now I'm going to cover the front and the back of the fish with this olive oil and lemon juice we mixed together at the beginning. This oil is going to help the ingredients we're going to use to stick on the fish. I first of all sprinkle some salt at the back, and I'm going to sprinkle garlic powder on it. You can use fresh one, but you need to mix everything together and cream the fish with it. I'm going to sprinkle chili, a little bit of chili, don't let it be too much, on it as well. I'm going to use black pepper all over the fish as well. At this stage, I'm going to flip it. Let me quickly use this opportunity to say thank you so much to all my returning subscribers, newcomers. You're so welcome. Please don't forget to join us by pressing your subscribe button. I'm going to repeat the same process at this other side by first of all creaming the fish with the olive oil and lemon mixture. I sprinkle salt on it, garlic, black pepper, and chili, just the same way we did the other side. Now the fish is ready to be air fried. Let's prepare our air fryer. That is the air fryer I'll be using. I'm going to take the rack out of it and I'm going to cover it with baking paper. This will prevent the air fryer from getting dirt from the oil and every ingredient we're going to use for the fish. You won't have much with cleaning of your air fryer to do if you use this system. And if you're going to flip your fish or taking it out of the air fryer, it will come out easily. This is a very good way of air frying your fish in your air fryer. Now I'm going to put it in the air fryer, set it to 200 centigrade, air fry for 12 minutes. After 12 minutes, lovelies, this is what you're going to have. This is perfectly done, juicy, aromatic. Don't let me talk much. You can see what we have here. Take a look at it. Use a fork to fluff it like this. You will love what you're going to have. It is tasty, juicy, very easy. If you don't have an air fryer, you can also bake this in your oven for about 15 minutes. Thanks for watching.